what one single piece of advice would you give any painter watching this show right now?
The very first thing I would say is, make sure you have passion for what you're doing. And this goes for just anything that you're doing in your life. But if, as a painter, if you're passionate, um, then you will realize you're going to have some great successes, and then there's going to be some failures. But the biggest thing then, during those failures and the difficult times, you need to look at the opportunities that you can find through that. And what I mean is, you are going to go through a challenge, and out of that challenge, something good comes out. And let me give you an example, especially for during the pandemic. There's a lot of businesses that they're using the term pivoting, and they were taking their business and they're thinking out of the box to serve and generate businesses ways that they didn't think about. But because of the pandemic, they were forced to. And that's the one thing that I figure, if you're passionate about something, given any challenge, you will find those opportunities. But you can't just focus on the failure. You have to realize that failure is where you're going to find some of the greatest opportunities.